Roll camera.
Rolling.
Roll sound.
Still speeding.
Scene 3, shot A, take 2.
We YouTube together. How is it a blooper?
Because I say it is.
But I believe it.
I loved that even though we had our specific jobs, everybody was throwing around ideas and we were working. This group worked so well together, and so I'm really excited to get to share this.
It was so fun being a casting director. I've never experienced anything like that, and it was unique being on that side.
I don't know. I was surprised by like how much fun I had. I know I'm gonna like major in film in college. Or well, I've made short films in the past for like the past year, but like it's never been fun. Like I enjoyed it, but I was doing every single thing. Like I was literally all the tech roles. But this time I had other people lifting me up and helping me with the entire project. It wasn't like, not all the pressure was on me. So yeah, this time it was actually really fun.
Also, I think this class, even if you're mainly just, you like acting and you're an actor, I think that this class can be really helpful to understand all aspects of a set. I've been on many sets never knowing what's going on, and now that I've taken this class, I won't be so clueless, and that's a really useful tool to have.
I'm very happy with how everything turned out. It's totally exceeded my expectations, and it was such a fun cast and crew, and so many amazing memories were made.
Of course, thank you to Coach Leah and Coach Adam for a wonderful class, and I really don't think that I would have been as passionate about filmmaking if I hadn't taken this class.
And that's our wrap on the shoot.
That's a wrap on Cass and Mason.
That's a wrap for Let's Go!